My heart of sorrow goes towards the people, the frontline warriors, doctors, nurses, and the medical staff who have lost their life in their endeavor to save the people who are affected by this corona. Corona, the very mention of corona chills the spine of the people. As a student of economics, I studied about the Malthus population theory. That is, there will be population explosion in the long history of people, and people will have to face massive deaths. At that time, I didn't believe it, but the history says where it started from China, Wuhan, there 3,000 years ago, in one particular village, in particular area, this epidemic, there is a difference between epidemic and the more dangerous is pandemic. Now what is happening is pandemic. The prehistoric epidemic 3000 BC, 5,000 years ago, thousands in China called Kerala, they died. Then plague of Athens, that is 4000 BC, 430 BC, ravaged the people of Athens and Lausanne. Then Antony plague, that is in 165 AD, killed 5 million people in the Roman Empire. And then plague Oregon, AD, 2050 AD, killed 5,000 people in Rome alone. The dead bodies were covered with a thick layer of lime as disinfectant. And then plague of Justinian, that happened in AD 541. Byzantine was ravaged and the empire declined. Some estimate that 10,000 of the world population died. Then came Black Death, 1346, travelled from Asia to Europe, some estimate which wiped out over half of European population. Then Coca-Cola epidemic, 1545, killed 15 million inhabitants of Mexico and Central America. And then American plague, 16th century, 90% of the indigenous population in the Western Hemisphere was killed. Then came Great Plague of London in 1665. Mass exodus from London led by King Charles. 100,000 died. 15% of the population of London died. Then Great Plague of Marseille, that in 1720, 100,000 died. 30% died. Then Russian plague came, that is in 1770. This plague, Moscow was ravaged. 100,000 died. Then Philadelphia yellow fever epidemic, 1793. 100,000 people died. Then came flu epidemic, 1889. In USA, killed 1 million people. Then American polio epidemic, that killed 50,000 people. Then came Spanish flu, 1918, 1920. 500 million people died from the South Seas to North Pole. Asian flu then came. That roots in China, 1957. 1 million, 1 million people died. 10 lakhs. Then came AIDS, human immunodeficiency, immune deficiency, HIV. Yes, HIV. Pandemic and epidemic that came and started killing people. Then has come Guinea swine flu pandemic, 2009, 2010. More than 2 lakhs died. Now then, West African Ebola epidemic 2014, death 11,000. Then COVID-19 corona, it has come. This killing people, and there is news that third wave may come, and another news has come. Fourth wave also has come. There is a possibility of coming. So, why I gave these particulars of thousands and thousands of years, there is a possibility of such epidemics and more pandemics. Therefore, we have to be very careful. And, as my sister stated, people could not get oxygen and they had to die. This is happening. We are worried. And the haves and have-nots, the poor people, they could not afford to get this oxygen, and they had to face the end of life. And as I support my friend Siva, that in Tamil Nadu, in Chengalpattu and Ooty, this vaccine manufacturing companies should be supported by the central government.
Thank you.
Thank you.